to add projects using QR codes. Step 1. Selecting Add Project will prompt you to enter a QR code that can be scanned for configuration. Step 2. By selecting the horizontally oriented 3-dot button in the top right corner of your screen, you can import your QR code as well. Pick the QR code from your gallery next. Select Photo of QR code. Start filling out form. Click Fill Blank Form to begin filling out the form. Under Date of Visit option, choose a date and then click Next for an automatic fill-in. RSBSA System Generated Number. Fill out the farmer's RSBSA System Generated Number. Registered number to their farmer. To get an RSBSA number, make sure you have a copy of a master list. Click Next button. RSBSA Registered Farmer's Information. Fill out the farmer's details, including last name, middle name, first name, extension name if applicable, and cell phone number. Farmer's residence. Select province, municipality or city and barangay of the farmer. Type of ownership tenant. Select tenant is a farmer refers to an individual or entity engaged in farming who rents or leases land from a landowner to carry out agricultural activities. Farm information. Enter the name of the land's owner, followed by the farm's total declared area in hectares. Enter the number of agricultural activities if the farmer has more plantation, like corn and high-value crops. Choose rice and conduct a farmer interview for the planting schedule. Georeferencing of parcel. Field name is agricultural parcel marker that can be geotagged. Declared size of the farm parcel in hectares. Verified size through Global Positioning System, GPS. Make a note if the parcels have encountered an issue. Please mark OK if the information is true and correct. Giving the farmers a stub meaning is already done for geotagged farmer signature. Request a signature from the farmer who has registered with the RSBSA. Steps. Farmer signature. 1. To erase the incorrect signature, click Reset. 2. If you have completed your signature, click Save and Close. 3. You have the option of customizing the color of your signature. AEW representative signature. Please sign for the AEW or the farmer's representative. DA Geo camera photo. Upload a photo of the farmer holding the RSBSA stub. Make sure that all of the stub's information is correctly filled out. Please mark OK if validated and complete gathering data, attesting that all information is true, correct, and ready for use in reports. Rename the farmer's name, then save and exit the form. Thank you.